So, my country people then, this one, a grand casserole. Una number one Tory master for Berlin, Bundescapital. So, as I be tell now, this week we're going to talk about those men, the way that they go for Africa. Go married woman, bring them here for Europe or one man country. Then they need to even stay for long. The man will leave the woman, or the woman will leave the man. Waiting to happen. Now when Tory man come for can't tell now the problem the way that they make all this kind matter it happen. So number one, now lies. That they talk lie. People that they talk lie. You go marry some woman for Africa, you bring it for here. You never tell you who you dey, waiting you to do. You don't snap picture, show you, so you get baby house for here. So you get better job for here. You do things there for here. You dey earn plenty money for here. Meanwhile, not be true. You know they tell you all the things, bad things the way you don't do for here. No. When you go, you want married woman for Africa, bring her here. That woman, even though they understand, plenty women for Africa, they understand, say, life not easy outside here. But you must tell them the truth. If you instead can tell them, say, your own life better, then the hope say when they come here, they will see you for better life. You understand? So most time then also, you don't go bring the woman. The woman don't carry for here. He wants to see you get in one room. He don't always ask question. But this guy don't the flash, he show this. You don't snap for plenty motor post. Say this one of your car. He come, you know get car. Now already a problem that. So sometimes when you go, you want marry one, tell you true. So that make it not come, he be surprised. If he be say you do work now for hotel, tell you say you do manage now for hotel, but this life if you manage with it, if you take care of you, if you support it, if you join on a hand together, on make better life. If you did do na cleaning, tell you say you did do na cleaning, you know. Not tell you say you get better job here. Where sometimes you did do na 419. Tomorrow they get come, he want stay with you 2 days, they catch you, they go lock you, or 1 year for prison. Automatically, people they go they talk now say that guy na bad guy. He don't leave you now where they don't go lock you. No. Now you yourself, you don't leave yourself. Because if you be tell you true, say you did do na 419, he go know whether make it wear your shoe, may enter inside your shoe or not. If you be tell you say you the manage number, he go know whether make it come up on a joint manage or not. Now one thing that. Number two, the woman don't carry for a year. You don't forget completely say this woman don't stay for Africa for a long time. He get a life, he get friends, he get family, he get people where he communicate with them. He can reach for a year. You don't want to make it talk again with no man for Africa. If you want to talk for phone, you dey hide for back door, you dey listen. You want hear who you dey talk. Why? Why you dey punish yourself? That one you dey punish yourself if you be man or woman where you dey for this situation. You dey punish yourself. You understand? You not get for the suspecting for anything. If you don't take risks, you take money, go take somebody camp for here. Respect it. He don't stay for this long time so. He get a life, he get so many things the way he don't do. You not just take those things away completely from you. Instead, you try for submerge, join the thing the way you don't do with your own. They make una get at least one life, the same thing the one I do all for one time. Not be so you try for separate it from the things in the life we don't live for 1 minute. It not the work so. You get for showing love and compassion, trust, so that you go make it know so you be somebody where if he open your heart for talk for, so that he no go get tea. But if you be that kind of way, he talk for phone, you do talk with you for phone. Now prison he come. Now for prison you don't come. Go the ask yourself. Now prison he come on he can for come better the life as you be telling. That one automatically you don't already affect the guy psychological. He get trouble. He get trouble for his mind. Now one problem that. Second one, you not want to make, you want go peace, you follow it. You want go shit, you follow it. You want go market, you follow it. The way you no go church, you no go church. The way you go church, you must go church. They need to do so, my brother. You know, if you catch woman, so instead, when woman come for that first 3, 4, 6 months, 1 year, dedicate time, show you place, make it integrate so that you go feel give you freedom for they do the things them even in your absence. Other than you lucky. If you no go party, you no go. If you no go disco, you no go. If you no go tonton for outside, you no go. Now wait, now prison. Automatically na prison that. So most of those things them, they nerve some women, they vex woman, Woman like for be free. So my brother, if you be that kind man, where you bring woman for here, they say you don't put the woman for prison. Don't say something is coming for you. Something is coming for you. That relationship in a work smoothly the way you think. When woman come, happy for show you down, show you how things they happen. Educate it, make it integrate fast so that you go leave the job now for you. You trust, you be trust. Even if you want to go outside, leave it, make it go outside, it go lost. If he go lost, he get telephone, he go call you, baby. I pick go here, I don't enter train, I don't know so I don't find myself. If you can't find me, you actually give me the street name. You call, you go take it. That one I love, not be even lost. He no lost. That one I love. He go be happy, and he go feed the do. He go defeat the go lost every time they call me, you can't meet up. You understand? That one they bring happiness for family. So that one, maybe we try correct that problem because the problem like they cause plenty break out there for married the way you go bring woman for Africa. Number 2, that woman, you there for house, you come for house, you never tell the woman say you follow some girl before you want come marry this one. You never tell all that things there. You lie. You never tell say you get 6 girlfriend. You never tell say you do so you do. So when the girl don't carry now. Now, one of the reasons that you don't want to make it come out because you fear. Say they go tell you say this your man na grand fiepsero, na wankwe. This your chap. This your man. So you don't know whether you really trust it. You just fear. Make it not go discover things outside. Why you suffer yourself? Why you not be telling you get 1 or 2 relationships before you come? Because of that, you cage the woman for house. You turn your a baby factory. You put it belly, it born. The kid one self even starts a struggle for even creep. You put another belly, you fear. Why? Fear don't crowd your mind. So you find out some means where it can hold the girl down so that even before you want to realize, in short, you don't hold it down with picking. You fool yourself. If one picking not even creep, you give another one. So one not even come on, you give another one. Say you want to hold the girl. That sense na foolish sense. Picking need the whole woman. Woman they there for this Gemini war the way they don't born 3 picking with man. They still leave the man. Because you dey punish the girl and punish her. Why? You dey fear say go after go vex. No. Why you not talk with it? Talk am with it. Tell you say, baby, this is what. But now you are here. I'm changed. Everybody get a life, Everybody get mistakes there for life. People they do mistakes. You see, so you go use your own mistake. They can destroy your family. No. Talk her out with your woman. I dey tell people the outside say if you get your ex-girlfriend, he threaten you. The best answer. Come report the ex-girlfriend for your woman. Report it direct so that if you know so you are really a man, you be trustworthy, where you feel rely on your woman. If some other girl for answer, it worry you, it threaten yourself, it do things, can't report it for your woman. Can't report it for your woman. Immediately your woman pick your phone, call you one time where you say your woman don't really know. Now all that, it don't really solve the matter. But if you say you hide them for your woman, you say go call your woman, you say you beg, you put yourself. You put yourself in danger. So now that if you love woman, tell you true talk. See, if you lie for your woman, the worst thing that will you destroy yourself. Above all, trust not the problem. Not the main problem where they scatter plenty those type of relationships. You bring the woman. You don't really bring the woman. Why no one trust it? Love doesn't go without trust. If you love woman, you must trust her. So if you trust it, you go trust it all plus anything what they do. So if you come now, you think say because you born 6 people with you so that you will tie it down, people are saying you fool yourself. You will fool yourself. Me, I tell you fool yourself. Better try for make a happy home with the woman. Tell you true, no for born 6 picking be it means you go hold it down. As I tell you now, many cases don't happen. The woman they outside, they plenty now. They with their picking them. Most of the cases for year, they need to drive woman as I live man. So far you born picking with woman, and you when I get serious problem, you the man, not the man. They throw her outside. Most of the men they outside. You see, the woman must remain for that house where you they pay. Whether you pay or not pay, government will pay the house for you. You go look at the picking them. So why you want to destroy your family? Why? So my brothers, if you want to go bring woman for Africa, please tell you the truth. If you can't reach for you, not make it house girl or not lucky for house because you defeat because of the bad way you don't do. Better tell you the bad the way you don't do. Make una solve them, then una fit continue for the live a happy life. Because through the relationship, now they bring joy. Because if you continue, you the only lie, my brother. This relationship ain't not going to last for long. Trust your woman, love your woman, stand for your woman, grow with your woman, and develop with your woman because they say 2 are better than 1. 2 they be better than 1. If una join una 2 sense, no matter how bad the sense is, una will come up with something where you go fit give una a prosperous future. For this one man country, if you live you want, you don't know if you just sleep for some herself. Sunday, wake up, they can't broke the door to you. But if you get woman, if headache do you at least for this country, with plenty trouble there, that the woman go call ambulance and say, they can carry a husband go. So my brother, make we try for to be truthful to one another, especially when it comes to relationship. Love your woman, understand? Love the woman, trust it. Everybody to get a bad side of it. But make we not talk, when we talk out, then we fit get a proper solution. We fit carry on life together. Not go you pick a life for woman say you do this, you get money, you do this, you work for your way. Sometimes you two manage. Woman, it understand when man they manage where he come, he go try make una grow fast. But if you lie, if you tell you say you don't really make her, that woman they can't chop. She don't do your makeup. In the come for make una work. But if you tell the truth, say you just still manage and you hope say where you come una will make life. That one he don't already prepare man. He will say at least I will come, I will try to change my husband's life. I will work with my husband, more will make things and big. Yeah, that's it. But if you give it a mindset say you don't make them, don't say you can only for can eat and flex. You understand now? Begin do snapshot, Instagram, this all that you can do. So tell you the truth and everything will be fine. My brother, I hope say you go bring woman where you come leave you after 1 year or 2 years after one picking. No, we need to pray for that. We want to make una understand say as you being a human and you get blood too for your skin, now so the woman too be human and you get blood for your skin. When you enter here, show you sound, make it integrate fast so that you feel leave some of the work for you. It will do one for you. It will show you proper love. We not go ever live happy. We not say no home not do problem not the problem there, but maybe for the level way the fish solver may not be the level way you go scatter your family. They will drive you for house, then they leave woman where you begin. You come to visit picking the not let uncle. No be better than that. Because we don't see for Berlin, you don't see for Europe, plenty papa them where they come out Africa, no our culture. They only go visit their picking their uncle. That they even give you timetable the way you can look at the picking. Even they give you the day, they give you the time. If you not come that time, they cancel them. If you not even come sometime, they even cancel her, you not go see the picking again. So make we not find ourselves for that situation. Because to remain love on a plenty, that way I say make I can't talk this stuff. It go be an advice on people then. Sometimes it go guide some other people the way they already face difficulties. Yes, truth is the key to every true relationship. Truth and trust. So trust somebody before you love it. If you know you love somebody, then you not trust it. Or if you love somebody, then you doubt the person, it means say that thing ain't not gonna work out. This one na una number one Tori master for Berlin, Germany. I hope so una get a nice day, stay safe, stay blessed, and una not forget, as I always tell una subscribe for my YouTube channel. Una support me. Una follow me for Instagram, for Facebook, and for Twitter. And una drop una comments them which una think about the same topic. Maybe if you help me or una talk, una write, make I know the topic una would like make we talk next time, so that I feel prepared and I will let una know when I want them to talk am. Make una stay blessed, and I beg una not forget to share this video. Una share them very well. Make it help somebody out there waiting for similar situation. So una stay blessed and cafe.